What's going on? Charles Quartey here from charlesdquartey.com, and welcome to my video. It's November 2019. It's been a while since I've been on here. If this is the first time that you've seen me, you'll see more of me. Check out my past videos. Better content will be up here soon. Yeah, so I just finished a blog article, and it is on what I call my beginner YouTube starter kit. So after finishing that article, I thought I'll share this information on YouTube for other people to be aware of it, you know. So my YouTube startup kit for beginners is based on tools and equipment that I personally use myself, and two items on the list I actually just made the order of it, and these are physical items, so they'll be delivered to me soon. So to start off, well, if you want to check a written version of this video, I'll link to my article on my blog. I'll link to my blog article in the description of this video. So let's begin. So to start my YouTube starter kit list, let's begin with the recording equipment. So first things first, you need a camera. So instead of investing in like a professional digital camera, video camera of some kind, it's best to use something which is accessible and easy to carry around with you. Easy to handle, easy to, So what I'm talking about is a smartphone. You should already have a smartphone, as it's 2020. If not, I suggest that you can buy one for a reasonable price. Why I say reasonable price and not cheap is because the type of phone you need is something, what I would say, the type of phone that you need is is some kind of recent phone. So myself, I use the Samsung Galaxy S9, but there are other options that you could use. If you got S10, that's even better. It's got a better quality camera. But we got Samsung. I'm talking about Androids. You could use an iPhone if you want, but when you're looking at Android, especially Samsung, they got an A range, which is the cheaper version of the S range. You got phones like the A50, A70, A90, and the A90 is the brand new one. I say the specs on that is higher than my S9. Still, that's what you get when the more further we go into time, the much easier, higher quality and cheaper technology is, So first recording item on the list should be a smartphone. So second item on the list, you making videos on your smartphone. It's surely gonna take up a lot of space, especially if you experience with like messaging friends on apps like WhatsApp. Whenever people send videos, it's just a common thing to keep on deleting them videos, because them videos always take space on the phone. So to avoid that problem and to make sure that your phone is functioning to the best it can, I suggest that you invest in a micro SD card. The one I got is a SanDisk 64 GB. 128 GB would be better. 256, you're in a great position, yeah. So I'm using this 64 gig until I run out of space, and then I'll get a bigger memory card to continue with. Next on my recording equipment list is a tripod. Now the type of tripod I got is a handheld tripod. It's small. It's like the length of my forearm. You know what I like about it, it's got flexible legs, so I'm able to take footage at different angles. I can hold the tripod, I can stand it on a table or something, or even better, with the flexible legs, you're able to wrap it around objects. So if you've got some kind of pole or maybe a chair or even on the side of a door, you can arrange the legs of the tripod to stand the phone at a position where you'll be able to take your footage. Next on the list is video editing software. Now the software that I use was recommended to me by a friend who suggested it was a better software than the one I was using previously. So I started using it. I've enjoyed using it. And best of all, it's open source, so it's free. It's of good quality, and after doing my research, I had found out that this software is one of the top rated software for making YouTube videos. It doesn't have all the features other software does, but where it beats its competitors is that the quality is in high definition, so that's perfect for video production. Next on my equipment list is equipment for sound. So again, with the sound equipment, I just placed an order and I'm waiting for the delivery for a certain microphone. But before I ordered this microphone, I used to use my headset for my phone. So headphones in the ears, and then microphone I was speaking to. I used this whenever I was making videos in public, because like without it, the phone will pick up every sound within the area within it, you know, as I'm able to capture my voice while I'm out there with heavy traffic in the background and so on. So the microphone that I ordered is a professional grade lavalier lapel microphone. And well, I was browsing on Amazon looking at my choices of a like lapel microphone, and a lot of them didn't seem suitable for me. I mean, like the cheap ones will come without a case or anything, just a wire, and you know, it's like this kit that I've chosen is a proper kit. It comes with a carry case. It comes with extra bits, like what do you call that foam bit? The let's call it the foam bit, you know, that covers the microphone. Got extra ones of that. It's got extra extension cord. It's perfect, you know. Also on my list is lighting equipment. This again that I haven't used yet, but I just placed an order on some equipment, and it will come to me in a couple of days. So if you browse around YouTube or the internet, they tell you best thing to do when making videos is to make sure whichever room you're in, it's got natural sunlight. If not, it's best to invest in lighting equipment, you know. Otherwise, you need to always be in a well-lit room. So yeah. So if you view my previous videos, you'll notice that it's either I'm out in public where there's natural sunlight, or I'm indoors. And in my house we got good lighting, but still I have invested in some professional lighting equipment. So next on my list is a tool that is used, very popular on YouTube. It's used for research and planning, and also growing channel growth. So this tool, if you haven't heard of it, it's called ToolBuddy, and it's a software that helps with keyword research, helps with uploading YouTube videos, helps with analytics, and also helps with researching competition, which is a useful feature of this software. So this software has got a free version, and also it has got paid plans, where the basic one starting at $9 a month. The basic one is good for a beginner, but to start with, the free, even the free, is useful. It just has limitations. The basic plan will give you more access to its features. Yeah, this is a quick video edit. I forgot to mention one tool, which is on my blog article, which is a tool I use for creating thumbnails. The tool that I use is a free tool. They do have a pro version, a paid version, and this is the Canva graphic design tool. So if you haven't heard of Canva, the link will be in the description. Besides that, everything that I mentioned on this video will be on my will be in my blog. And last but not least is screencasting software. So checking my previous videos, you will notice that I have shared a cast of my computer screen when explaining the coding challenges that I've done in the past. If you want to check it. If not, I'll do future videos with different videos with screencasting in it, so you ain't missing too much. But the software that I use for screencasting is called Bandicam. Again, I did my research, and it's one of the best software to use used by YouTube creators. There's other popular ones like Screencast-O-Matic, OBS Studio, and so on and so on. You know, I've used the ones that I mentioned in the past, you know, but Bandicam seems really good to me. I'm comfortable using it. You know, I don't want to change from it yet. At the moment, I'm using the free version, which with the free version you'll get the watermark on your videos. But for what is it, $39, a one-off payment of $39, you get the full access to the software with all its features. So that completes my list of items, tools, and equipment. The list that I've given today consists of is it 8 or 9? It is 8 items. It consists of 8 items. And if you would like to check the written version of this video, which is which shows the different items that I've got, I'll link into the description of this video, so you can check out my blog. Also, the physical items that I got on this list, I bought each of them from Amazon UK. So if you're not living in the UK, you can go to your local Amazon website, find similar, if not the same, items for a similar price, or even cheaper. I recommend, but make sure it's all of quality, good quality, because this is you investing in yourself, you know. So yeah, I'll end the video here. I'd like to thank you if you managed to reach this far, and also yeah, Just excuse me with my hair looking a bit funny today. I washed it, but I ain't combed it or nothing. You know, I just finished the blog article and said, yeah, straight onto the video, you know. So yeah, I hope you did find this insightful and it helped you. And if you know anybody that this can help or give some insight to, share this video. And for yourself, please subscribe. You want to keep up to date with video that I'm publishing, hit the notification bell. Anything else, like the video. Yeah, so that's it for today. I'll be back soon and I'll see you again. Peace.